Welcome back, everyone. You may be in a position where Instagram is just not letting you create a new account. Now, this can happen for a couple of different reasons. The very first thing I would recommend you to look at, though, is to make sure that the username you have actually chosen isn't already taken. If it tells you, like, hey, your username is taken, whatever, just choose a different username. You may have also tried making too many Instagram accounts with your email that you also have associated or your phone number associated with your Instagram account. So if that ends up being the case, those are pretty much the two main takeaways I'd recommend looking into. If Instagram blocks your account and you're using the same email, I'd recommend either using a different email or kind of whatever, just fixing whatever you did on your main account and then pretty much going that way. But there's also something that's pretty much almost always completely out of your control. If Instagram is not letting you create an account and you've not done anything wrong, you don't even have an Instagram account yet, this is your first account, you may be having network connectivity issues or Instagram may be down. So the first thing you want to do is make your way over to your settings application, whether you have an Android, iPhone, or whatever else you have, going under Wi-Fi right here, and making sure you're connected to a good Wi-Fi connection, a good cell connection. A great way to test this is to make your way over to any other specific web page, see how long it takes to load up a page, and see if it's pretty quick. If it's pretty quick, then you're pretty much good to go. You want to go back into Instagram and try again. Now, for some reason, if that doesn't work or something else seems to be going on, the next thing I would recommend doing is actually seeing if Instagram is down. So you can go to either the comment section of this video and see if Instagram, is down, is trending on Twitter. You can also, like I said, check the comment section of this video, sort by the latest comments, and just see if a lot of people are commenting at the same time. I'd also recommend you to leave a comment as well. And if a lot of people are commenting, then that may mean Instagram may actually be down. So there's not much you can do. You pretty much just kind of have to wait it out until they fix it. If that doesn't seem like that's the issue, though, and Instagram seems to be running for everyone, I would honestly recommend you to go into your app store like this, whether it's the Google Play Store or whatever. You want to search up Instagram, and you just want to go ahead and update your Instagram application. So type in Instagram, click on Instagram here, and you want to click update, and you just want to update your specific app. Now, it's not a guarantee that this will fix it, but most probably this might end up fixing it for you, and this is probably one of those things I would highly recommend you to look into. So those are just a couple ways to fix this specific problem. If you guys have any other questions or anything like that, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.